Let's see how challenging it is to remove some of the weeds. We have some dandelions, some other grasses or wild plants which are quite challenging to remove in regular settings like alone, but in a wood chipped area, look at this. Look how easy it comes out, and look at the root system. It's very well developed, but not hard to remove. It's ripped, but that's fine. We can leave it as a mulch, especially if it's sunny. When it's wet, don't really want to leave the roots on because they might take root again. But if we leave them in the sun, they will just be mulch. So you can see the advantages of growing in wood chips. We have mushrooms growing. This is an olive tree over here. Yeah, look at this. This would have been very challenging to remove from a place like that, but it's mostly lawn, but which we are transforming into a food forest. And as soon as we can get wood chips, we'll apply all over. Let's see. See, there's no resistance, very little resistance. And we've only been putting wood chips since we moved here, which is about a year and a half. Will be 2 years at the end of August. So I'll leave this for now, but I should remove them. I'll take this from the strawberries, so the strawberries can develop better and take over as a ground cover over here by the olive trees. You see, as I said, they'll be in the sun and dry and feed the soil. Here we have another dandelion. It is quite small. I want to get the root out, but if I don't, it's fine, because the plant will become weaker here and allow us to plant other things such as aronia, currants. Here I've planted some potatoes. We have a gooseberry, captivator and invicta, black currant over there, lots of elder cuttings, lots of beans in the garden. I'll leave this dandelion here because it's on the path, so it looks nice. I won't take all of the dandelions out. Apparently we can eat the leaves, but I haven't tried them yet. But yes, this is what I wanted to show you. It's only been a year and a half, and the wood chips are already doing a great job helping us enrich the quality of the soil here, make it a joy to remove the weeds or the plants we do not want all over the garden anyway. So yeah, I encourage you to garden with wood chips.